Hello! This video will walk you through all the steps required to convert your saltwater pool to a Zodiac Magna pool.
Okay, first off we'll remove the salt cell, disconnect the barrel unions, remove that off site and remove the chlorinator off the wall. But before we do that we'll actually switch the chlorinator off. Let it help. Oh, Jesus. Did you do this up, did you, Jono? Probably. Next step, we'll remove the outlet pipework of the filter, disconnect the barrel unit of the inlet and then remove the cartridge filter out. Okay, the next step is we'll remove the outlet line off the pump and run a new line.
So now we'll connect the cell cable with the color codes. Blue of course goes to blue, that's your flow sensor. Red can go on either red terminal. And of course black goes to the black terminal. Put our cell cap on and we're ready to go.
Before adding the Magna Pool minerals, make sure you achieve a TDS reading of 1500 on your pool. You may have to partially drain and refill your pool to accomplish this. Draining of the pool should be completed by a certified pool professional to avoid hydrostatic pump. Conduct a water test to see if the water is in balance. And finally, balance the water as required.
So we're here conducting a water test today on our conversion of a traditional saltwater pool to a Magna pool. It's vital that we do this test prior to our putting in the Magna Pool minerals because we need to determine what's going on with the water to see what we need to add before we add our Magna Pool minerals. We have our Color Q water test system here which will help us do what we need to do to determine what we have to put into the water first. Color Q is a 7-test water tester. It has its set point, it tests for free chlorine or bromine, it tests for total chlorine, tests for your pH, tests for your alkalinity, test for total hardness and test for your cyanuric acid. So we've just added all of our minerals into the water. For this size pool we have a 35,000 litre pool, so we needed to add 21 bags. We save our last half bag to put down the skimmer box. This helps to supercharge the hydroxynator at startup. You'll notice after you add the Magna Pool minerals that you'll get foaming appear on the top of the water. This is absolutely natural and is all part of the hydroxynation process at startup of all Magna pools.
After converting your saltwater system over to a Magna Pool system, press the boost button on the hydroxynator twice in 24 hours. This will increase your chlorine output from the hydroxynator in the electrolytic cell and enable you to enjoy your pool quicker. It is important to note that for the following 2 weeks after converting to a Magna Pool that the chlorine may be masked. While chlorine is present, traditional testing methodologies simply aren't sensitive enough to read chlorine levels while the conversion is in process. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on Magna Pool, please visit magnapool.com.